Canceling a PayPal invoice is a straightforward process, especially if the invoice has not yet been paid. Here's how to do it. Log into PayPal. Open the PayPal website or app and log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to Invoices. Click on the Activity tab in the top menu. From there, select Invoices to view your sent invoices. Find the invoice. Scroll through your list of invoices to locate the one you want to cancel. You can also use the search function for quicker access. Open the invoice. Click on the invoice to view its details. This will open a page with all the information related to the invoice. Cancel the invoice. Look for the option labeled More or Actions, typically located at the bottom of the invoice details. Click on it, then select Cancel Invoice. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the information and click Yes or Confirm to proceed with the cancellation. Notify the recipient. Optionally, inform the recipient that the invoice has been cancelled to maintain clear communication.